What up YouTube fam, it's your boy Chef Todd, back with another video. If it's your first time, welcome to the family. Nice to meet you. You know, in this video, in the videos that I do, you're gonna get the best tips and tricks to make the most delicious food at home. And also to make you feel confident in the kitchen when you are in the kitchen. All right, so with all that said, this video is about what are the must-have skillets that you need for each household. All right, I'm gonna share with you my go-to skillets that I have all the time in my kitchen that delivers the best sear, the best cooking experience that you need for your food to be delicious. That's what we're about. Let's get that started. All right, so come on over here. Let me show you 4 of my favorite skillets that I use in the kitchen. All right, I know you're gonna benefit from this because it helps me. It makes my life easier to have these 4 skillets in my kitchen, and it helps me to cook everything that I need to that needs to be done in the skillet. So let me share these 4 skillets. Come on over here. Come on. All right, I got the stove right here. First thing, I have the hashtag singlelife. It's just you and a movie. You know what I'm saying? This is what single life is about. You make your seared chicken breast 1 or 2, and you sit on your couch and you have you a nice dinner and you have you some Netflix and you. Okay, not Netflix and chill, Netflix and you. This is what it is. Hashtag single life. Okay, then you have your medium. Oh, I'm in a relationship.
My baby.
My baby. His baby. My boy.
You know, I like to cook for my girl. I like to cook for my guy. I like to cook for my partner. All right. This is the medium skillet that I use. And this is my favorite one because it has the double handle and I'm able to control it. You can hook it. It doesn't have the hand, right? It doesn't get hot. This is my favorite pan, right? And I've had this for about 12 years. You can tell it's used, right? This is the mark of a true pan. It's been used. And every skillet that I have has this thick bottom to it, okay? It's really important to have this thick bottom because it controls the heat better across the pan. When you have a thin bottom skillet, it burns stuff really quickly, right? So you want to have a skillet with some type of weight to it that's included in the bottom of the pan, right? It's much thicker, okay? So that's what I use to sear my food. This is the medium skillet, right? And then I also have a medium cast iron bad boy. You know what I'm saying? This is the skillet you want if you want to get a crusted, seared potato, breakfast potato. If you want to sear your steak and get some incredible flavors in it, this is what you need. You need a cast iron pan. As you can tell, it's treated because I love my cast iron pan. My mom actually gave me this. So I use this all the time, especially when I want a nice crust on a sear of a steak. This is the bad boy I use. All right, so we're gonna move on. Okay, if you have a party or you have a family, I call this the Brady Bunch.
That's the way we all became the Brady Bunch.
Good, because you cooking for more than 2, more than 3, probably 4 to 6 people, right? This is what I use when I am catering a party of 6 or 8 or 12 people. This is what I use right here. This is my Brady Bunch pan. All right, this is my skillet that does the work, and it's also non-stick, so it's the bomb. Okay, so that's my skillet little intro. All right, introducing you to my skillets. This is what they are. You're welcome. Okay, if you ever want to know about skillets, I will make another video to introduce what they do. All right, so those are my 4 favorite skillets. If you have some favorite skillets at home that you might you don't know how to use, like, hit me in the comments. Guess what? I'll respond and let you know how to use that skillet at home, because I know I didn't show any type of copper bottom skillets. So if you have questions about those, hit me in the comments and I will respond to them. But that concludes my skillet video about my 4 favorite skillets that I use in the kitchen. And it's a must-have because it makes your job and life easier when you decide to go in the kitchen and cook. All right? So you know what to do. You know what to do to be a part of this family that is growing continuously. You know what you gotta do. Like this video, ding, subscribe, share with your friends, and also comment, okay? Drop some comments right under this video so we can talk, we can have a conversation, because you know what? It's not just about me sharing, it's about you sharing with me too, and your experiences while you are doing the things that I'm showing you through this video in your kitchen, all right? You want to get better? Let's talk about it in the comments and I'll help you, all right? Peace out. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video with Chef Todd and learning some tips and tricks. And that's what growing is all about. Not to work hard, but to work smart. All right. Peace out. Chef Todd is out.